How to place an order on Lochness Medical Supplies. In this video, we will show you how to use the ordering system on the Lochness Medical website. The ordering portal is designed for registered accounts to view, place orders, and manage their orders efficiently all in one place. To view your orders, on the Lochness Medical website, under the navigation bar, go to Login. To create an account, click Request an Account, or contact your local Lochness Medical sales representative or email sales@lochnessmedical.com. Enter your email address and password, then select Login. You will then be taken to the Orders page. In the Orders page, you will be able to view and manage all your past orders. To place a new order, click the button Order Online. Your previously purchased products and recommended products based on your shopping history will be populated in your basket. You can buy it again by adding all the products or click Repeat Last Order. If you would like to add additional products that are not currently listed in your basket, please contact your Lochness Medical sales representative or email sales@lochnessmedical.com. You can add the number of test kits by typing in the quantity box. Click on the plus cart button to save your changes. To modify the items in your cart, click on the pencil icon. Select the checkmark icon to update your cart or select the X icon to discard changes. You can add multiple items by typing in the quantity for each and then click the button Add All. You have the option to add a PO number for your order. Click on Checkout to continue to payment. Review your products and select your billing address, shipping information, shipping method, and payment method. Fill out your payment information in the form below. You also have the option to select Invoice to have your order billed to your invoice instead. The invoice feature is not available for first-time ordering customers. Add any additional information such as delivery accommodations in the order comments box. When you are ready to place your order, click Submit. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Select Yes to continue. Do not leave the screen until it is done loading. Once you see the order confirmation screen, your order is now complete. You will receive your order ID and order summary. Click Continue to go back to the Orders page.